Right guys, so you've got a VW Golf and the bonnet's not closing. Here's a situation for you, alright. So I've been trying to close this, I've been kind of like slamming it down on it pretty much because it's just not been doing what it should. So what I've done now is, I've been lucky enough that I was actually at home when this happened. I've managed to remove just this front part, not the entire bumper, just the bit between the lights. Okay, so this bit here is what I've taken out. It's really easy to do. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that it's a bit of a gentle wiggle and it'll come out, because this part down here will stay inside a little bit, so give that a gentle wiggle, out it pops. Then to get the actual latch itself out, it's just 1, 2 and 3 over there. Okay, so these are a slightly bigger size, so let's get that in there. If you can see that, if it wakes up, there you go, that's them. So they're the bigger ones, and these ones are where your actual plate. So the 4 in here are the smaller size, so there's the difference for you. You can see that. Right, so once you've managed to give this a bit of a wiggle, which is quite tough to do without damaging it or damaging the other bits involved, can you see how rusted that is there? That's just stuck. I believe that's the problem. So I'm just going to confirm that now, but I thought I'd just show you where I'm up to. Just go from there. But yeah, it's that rusted bit just here. I'm going to stick some WD-40 on that, see what I can do, but that looks like the bad bit. So there you go. Okay, so it's not hard to remove this. That's fine. Just get that off, give it a wiggle, alright, and go from there. Hopefully your actual hopefully this isn't actually damaged, because if this is gone then it's just going to be a bigger job. And I opened it because my turbo pressure sensor's going. I think this is going to be the last VW that I own. I've had turbo issues before, you know, fuel pump issues, DPF issues. Not interested, had enough. I think I'm going to go for Jap car or something like that. Time to get rid of these VWs. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. I had a look online, I couldn't find anything. So this is if your bonnet is not closing. There you go, thanks. Alright, quick update here for you. That now is in the closed position, just inside there, that's closed. As you can see, it's got some lubricant on it, so I've just used some of this, quite a lot of it actually. Just kind of gone a bit mad for it, so yeah, just went for it really all over the place. So we're going to see now if so just make a note of where that little rusty circle is. I want to pull it now and see what happens. Okay, are you alright? Not so bad. Okay, here we go. Good, I hope this works. Can't feel it, but okay, that's still there. Okay, I think we're in trouble. Anyway, see what happens. Okay, another update for you. I think I realised what the problem was just then. I don't think it pulled on it because it wasn't screwed back in. So I've just screwed it back in, these two. Of course that one is still left, just as a trial. So it's lubricated, as you can see. It's now in the open position there. Alright, so now I'm going to close it. I'm going to push this down. This might take a little bit. So here we go. Push that down. If I can push it far enough, it'll close. I think it's shut at least. Or maybe I'll just bust it again. Alright, give me a second here. I'm just pushing that down, okay, like the latch is going on. Just want to show you properly. Okay, come on. I'm on top of it now, just pushing it down. Okay, right, here we go. So I've just closed it there. Notice that little rusty circle just there, keep an eye on that, okay? Here we go. There we go, we heard something. Okay, and that rusty circle that was in the middle of there is gone. Okay, so hopefully this will work, hopefully. So all you've got to do is take off that bit, which is 4 screws. Take off this bit, which is 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. This is quite tight to pull out. Give it a good pull, alright, don't worry. Even though there is like a little electrical sensor on it, just there, if you can just see, which tells you about open bonnet. So pull it, don't worry about it, and then lubricate it under this side. Just go for it, be generous with it, and then just have a little play around with the actual latch, you know, try and push it down where you can, so wiggle it around, and hopefully you're back in business. So this is if your bonnet won't close. Enjoy. Alright, so might as well show you the grand finale. Just going to close it now. I've put it back together. You can still see the lubricant and stuff, you can see it's all shiny. Alright, so I'll just show it, you know, I'll close it. There we go. And 1 second. There we are. God, that just doesn't look healthy, does it? Look at how it's touching the VW logo there. Is that normal? Look at that. Just on it. Just gonna open it and reclose it, just for good measure. Have I done something wrong? I don't think I have. Looks alright there. Looks alright there. Just a quick reopen on this. Watch it not close now. Okay. Alright. See that again. I'll take it. I'll take it, that's closed. Looking okay around the lights. Looks okay around the lights over here. Edge of the bonnet. But yeah, definitely the last VW that I'm having. I opened it to have a look at a fault, and then couldn't bloody close it. I could have gone to the shop and bought the part for the turbo, but I ended up having to do this instead. Well, that's my weekend. Right, thanks for watching, hope this helps. Take it easy.